Hello friends. Welcome to the Vicky Notes tutorial. This tutorial will help you to learn the concept of data structures for GATE, UGC-NET PSUN University exam. Please friends press the like button and subscribe my channel. We have discussed tree is a nonlinear data structure. In a tree data structure, a node can have any number of child nodes. In this video lecture, we will discuss about binary trees. Binary tree. Binary tree is a special tree data structure in which each node can have at most 2 children. Thus, in a binary tree, each node has either 0 child or 1 child or 2 children. Example: unlabeled binary tree. A binary tree is unlabeled if its nodes are not assigned any label. Unlabeled binary tree. Number of different binary tree possible with n unlabeled nodes equal to n combination of n by n plus 1. Example: consider we want to draw all the binary trees possible with 3 unlabeled nodes. Using the above formula, we have number of binary trees possible with 3 unlabeled nodes equals 2 into 3 combination of 3 by 3 plus 1 equals 6 combination of 3 by 4 equals 5. Thus, with 3 unlabeled nodes, 5 unlabeled binary trees are possible. These unlabeled binary trees are as follows. Labeled binary tree. A binary tree is labeled if all its nodes are assigned a label. Labeled binary tree. Number of different binary tree possible with n labeled nodes equal to n combination of n by n plus 1 into n factorial. Example: consider we want to draw all the binary trees possible with 3 labeled nodes. Using the above formula, we have number of binary trees possible with 3 labeled nodes equals 2 into 3 combination of 3 by 3 plus 1 into 3 factorial equals 6 combination of 3 by 4 into 6 equals 5 into 6 equals 30. Thus, with 3 labeled nodes, 30 labeled binary trees are possible. Each unlabeled structure gives rise to 3 factorial equals 6 different labeled structures. Similarly, every other unlabeled structure gives rise to 6 different labeled structures. Thus, in total 30 different labeled binary trees are possible. Types of binary trees. Binary trees can be of the following types. Rooted binary tree. Full, strictly binary tree. Complete perfect binary tree. Almost complete binary tree. Skewed binary tree. Rooted binary tree. A rooted binary tree is a binary tree that satisfies the following 2 properties. It has a root node. Each node has at most 2 children. Example: full, strictly binary tree. A binary tree in which every node has either 0 or 2 children is called as a full binary tree. Full binary tree is also called as strictly binary tree. Example: here, first binary tree is not a full binary tree. This is because node C has only 1 child. Complete perfect binary tree. A complete binary tree is a binary tree that satisfies the following two properties. Every internal node has exactly two children. All the leaf nodes are at the same level. Complete binary tree is also called as perfect binary tree. Example. Here, first binary tree is not a complete binary tree. This is because all the leaf nodes are not at the same level. Almost complete binary tree. An almost complete binary tree is a binary tree that satisfies the following two properties. All the levels are completely filled except possibly the last level. The last level must be strictly filled from left to right. Example. Here, first binary tree is not an almost complete binary tree. This is because the last level is not filled from left to right. Skewed binary tree. A skewed binary tree is a binary tree that satisfies the following two properties. All the nodes except one node has one and only one child. The remaining node has no child. Or a skewed binary tree is a binary tree of n nodes such that its depth is n-1. Example. Thank you so much friends for watching my video lectures.